Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, let's take a look at the gold market. Well, as you can see, situation has become clear yesterday and our concern on stop grabber has been resolved. So yesterday we said that market should either cancel and vanish the stop grabber, or it should turn to the downside and take out of these lows, because that is the target of the stop grabber. And yesterday we said that guys, we could in fact treat some technical picture, we could try to analyze it, we could use the fundamental data and so on, but we can't predict and we can't anticipate any possible turnings on the geopolitical sphere. And currently the mass media discusses only one topic, is that Obama has made the decision to apply the US Air Forces and for airstrikes in the northern Iraq to support the government forces. That has led to increasing the escalation of the geopolitical tensions, and that has made the support for gold market, for Japanese yen. Also, there is an interesting moment that maybe we see the signs that investors is starting to change their attitude to the geopolitical tensions. So recently the major thought that, and there was some assurance in the temperancy, that is in the temperancy of these events, that probably these tensions are temporal, because there always were some tensions in the Iraq since the Iraq war, around Israel and the Gaza, and they've become louder, they become more silent from time to time, but they were some kind of these conflicts last for a long period already, and that was the first treatment of the investors, that probably this is temporal, and that there will be some few time will pass and this again become silent, and this will be okay. But right now, when with the events that now are standing across around the globe, and then Ukraine is also not an exception, is that the investors start to understand that these tensions probably will last for more time, and they can't be treated as temporal anymore. And this reassessment of the overall situation now is leading to shifting and to changing the investment policy across the board, and that also currently supports the gold market. So on the gold market right now we see the bullish confirmations that market, first of all, market has vanished the stop grabber. Second, market has passed through the conference resistance without no respect, just a straight action right to the 1320 fib resistance. And finally, the third moment is that market has passed through the monthly pivot resistance 1. That's significant, and this makes me think that maybe the weekly bullish engulfing bullish stop grabber that we have discussed in our weekly research has started to work, and the target of this pattern on the weekly time frame is 14 even area. So you take a look at the weekly chart, this top on the weekly time frame, this will be the target of this grabber. Currently probably really odds have increased that we probably will not return right back down and will not complete these ABCDs that we have right now on the intraday charts, because geopolitical situation, the fundamental data and geopolitical situation, geopolitical shifting has very important feature, that they could overrule the technical picture. And currently market already has vanished this ABCD. So since no talks about the possible return right back down and hitting 100% target of this ABCD now exist. If market will take out of this top, this will vanish this ABCD, and again there will be no more topic on this. What is more interesting here is that here we could try to monitor for larger pattern. For example, market could form the butterfly, by which it will try to complete the weekly target above the 14 even. That's really possible. Besides, right now market stands at the resistance. It's difficult to say whether market will continue to move higher right now or not. Market's not at the bot right now. But since market has passed through this level without any respect, it probably will return right back down and retest this. Recall what we have said in this area, 1296. We have talked about this almost a couple of weeks in a row. We said that market should return right back down and retest this area, because that was disrespected confidence resistance when the market has passed through it without no respect. That really indeed has happened. So market has shown action and returns right back down and has retested this area. So here it could happen again. After this rally to the upside, market could return right back down and retest the 1305, 1307 area. That's also possible. Anyway, currently we have the confirmation of the bullish action, and now we just need to watch for a possible retracement that will let us to take the long position on the gold market. On the 4-hour time frame chart, I do not see any patterns right now. So one thing that I see is that market also has hit the 127 extension of this most recent swing down. Probably you guys even could find here this butterfly. Okay, and this really could trigger a retracement right back down, because take a look that this support is 1306. It's very close to the daily disrespected confidence resistance. So that's why I can't exclude that market could turn to some retracement, if of course we will not hear any more drastic news on the geopolitical picture today. Well, but currently the situation becomes more clear, and the bullish factors that we have discussed now becomes brighter and starts to clarify it better on the daily time frame chart. Because on the previous week we have some concerns on these ABCDs and so on. But right now the situation is resolving gradually, and if market will move 10 bucks higher, that will absolutely resolve the overall all our concerns, and we will in fact will have only one directions to the upside. The one thing that we just will need to do is to find acceptable and suitable level to take the position. That's probably will be our major and primary task for the nearest time.